Hi, this is Mandeep Sharma. Today we are going to show you the in-depth demo of Projexel Technologies RFST C-Series 4-channel wireless modules. In this video, we will talk about what these modules are, how they work, how to use them, how to set up them in your factory, working demo, and some common applications where these modules can help you. Before starting, let's talk a little bit about the company. Projexel Technologies design and manufacture wireless products for industrial automation and robotics. They have been focused on providing hardware solutions to help the manufacturing industry to increase their production, reduce downtime, and lower the operating and maintenance costs. Its solutions are focused on connectivity, optimization, modernization of existing and new automation robotics applications. Now let's talk about these RFST C-Series I/O modules. These are machine-to-machine wireless communication modules. Its features are to improve the performance of industrial SPMs, also known as special purpose machines, and enable innovators to be more creative. Using RFST C-Series wireless modules, 100% of digital input-output devices can be connected to PLC without control wires, irrespective of the make and type of used sensors such as PNP, NPN, 2-wire, 3-wire proximities, reed switches, photo sensors, solenoids, contactors, etc. As you can see, I have these two modules. One is transmitter and other one is receiver. At transmitter, you will be connecting all the inputs or outputs of PLC as per your application. And when that input or output is turned on, it will be immediately relayed on the receiver channel. Now let's learn how to set up these modules. As usual, you have to provide power to both of these modules, which is 24 volt DC, which can be provided using a control panel SMP, power supply, or a battery. I am using a 24 volt DC adapter for the same. Once you turn these modules on, we will pair the transmitter and receiver. To do so, first we will turn on all the dip switches provided on the transmitter module and press the reset button once. This will bring the module in address mode. Here you will select the desired address from 0 to 255. This address can be easily calculated using a decimal to binary calculator, or after some practice you will be easily used to it. Now as we have picked the address of the transmitter module, press reset button one more time. This will bring us to frequency selection mode. Using the same dip switches, we can pick any frequency as we like from 0 to 1 to 5 and press the reset button one more time. After this, the transmitter module will go in scan mode automatically to ensure you did not use any already used address or frequency, to protect you from any cost of communication, or to avoid the frequency used by any non-Projexel device for better and safe communication. It will take approx 45 seconds, and if no error is displayed, your transmitter will be ready to pair with the RFST C-Series receiver. On receiver also, you will follow the same steps. We will turn on all the dip switches and press the reset button, and the module will go in address mode. Now we will select the address which we selected on the transmitter and press the reset button one more time. Now we will match the frequency we selected on the transmitter again and press the reset button. Both the modules are now paired, and as you can see, the healthy signal LED glow on both of these modules. Along with that, there is a terminal on both modules for healthy signal interlocking. Make sure that these modules are 100% safe for critical applications for any automation and robotics application. That's it. If you missed any step, you can watch it again, or you can use the user manual provided with the modules to pair both of these modules. These are very user-friendly and practical for maintenance engineers. Now let's see what will happen if we lose the power of a receiver module. It's immediately noticed by the transmitter and it broke the healthy signal NC point. This feature works both way. Let me show you. Now I turn on a receiver and it's paired again. And when we interrupt the transmitter power, look, it's noticed by the receiver immediately. Okay. Now let me connect some input outputs on both of these modules and see it's working in action. Okay, as you can see, I have connected one reed switch, one proximity, and one jumper wire to mimic the limit switch or any kind of digital input, or you can say output from the PLC in form of negative 24 volt DC. Look, when we get the signal from a reed switch, it is immediately relayed on the receiver, and the respective channel is NC now. We can check that using this continuity tester on off, on off, on off. Same thing on this proximity, on like this, on off, on off, on off. And suppose this is a limit switch input, and when I provide it on channel 3, it's relayed on the channel 3. On off, on off, on off, on off. In these specific modules, you can connect up to 4 input outputs. On special order, you can have as many as you like. For example, for Maruti Suzuki, we are designing the same modules with 16 IOs. But most applications, it's good to use 4-channel wireless modules rather than 16 or more, because otherwise, again, you will have to bring sensor wires at the module, which can be long control wires and break on high moment areas. With these modules, you can mount this transmitter or receiver on the moving portion of your machine, and you're good to go for preventing future breakdowns caused by control cable faults. That was all for this demo video. Hope it's helpful. If you want to know more use cases or about our other products, you can visit our website mentioned in the description. Thank you. And also, if you like to have a demo of these products in your factory, we are providing 1 week free trial. You can book that too by contacting us. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.